In this section, we're going to be factoring basic trinomials. So remember what this section of the unit is about. It is about factoring polynomials. You've seen this before. What is our polynomials? What is our first step always? Our first step always is to look for a GCF. We have to see, do any of these polynomials share a greatest common factor? After we answer that question, then there are going to be a variety of ways to factor. So we look for, is this a difference of squares? So remember, in a difference of squares, does it fit the pattern where you can take the square root of your first term and the square root of your second term, and that sign has to be subtraction because it's difference. So we could factor a minus b, a plus b. So we've already talked about difference of squares and how to factor that one. Today what we're going to be talking about is, remember, our first step is always, is there a GCF? If there's a GCF, we ask ourselves, is it a difference of squares? If it's not a difference of squares, then we have to ask ourselves, is this a basic trinomial? And this is what we're going to be doing today. A basic trinomial is where your coefficient of x squared, that quadratic term, is this 1. That's what makes it a basic trinomial. And if it is a basic trinomial, I'm going to show you the steps to factor that. Okay? So that's what we're doing today.